3 new features in your phone app available in the new iOS 26. Navigate to my settings icon, scroll down to apps, select phone, scroll down to where I see screen unknown callers. Select ask reason for calling. Let's see what this looks like.
Hi, if you record your name and reason for calling, I'll see if this person is available.
Hi, this is Being Classy, looking for Jessica Alexander.
Thanks, please stay on the line.
I have my friend on the other line. Select the 3 dots on the bottom where it says more. Select screen sharing. I will share my screen. The other person will select that notification, and now your screen is being shared. Swipe up to get out of your phone call to show them around your phone. The other person can draw on my screen, and they can ask to take remote control of my screen, and it will prompt me to allow or not allow. I will select continue. This person can access my screen. To turn off remote control, you can select this icon here. Select my phone call from the top of my screen. I will select stop viewing your screen. They were notified that Being Classy ended their screen sharing. This phone call will be recorded today for learning purposes. Are you okay with that?
Yes.
Thank you. Select the 3 dots on the bottom left-hand corner of your phone call screen. Select call recording, and you'll have a 3-second countdown.
This call will be recorded.
Both participants did hear that message. Thank you so much for conferencing with me today.
Thank you for meeting with me as well.
Well, let's retable this next week. You can either end the call or you can end the recording by selecting this icon
is
here.
no longer being recorded.
When I'm done with my phone call, I will hang up and I can navigate to my notes application. I can listen to the audio playback. I can review the transcript, and I have a summary provided to me as well. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on social media to stay connected. And I will see you in the next video.